Hey guys, today we will discuss about autopsy. Autopsy is a systemic examination of a dead person for medical, legal or scientific purposes. The examination of a dead body involves external and internal examination and incorporating the result of spatial tests including radiology. The internal examination involves it but is not limited to examining the content of the cranium, chest, abdomen. Further dissection may occur in particular circumstances. It is of three types. Academic autopsy. In this, dissection carried by student of anatomy. Second one is pathological, hospital or clinical autopsy, done by pathologist or to diagnose the cause of death or to confirm a diagnosis. Consent signed by the next of kin is required for these autopsies. Third one is medico-legal or forensic autopsy, scientific examination of a dead body carried out under the law of the state for the protection of rights of citizen in cases of sudden, suspicious, obscure, unnatural, litigious or criminal deaths. The basic purpose of this autopsy is to establish the cause and manner of death. It is said the only thing worse than no autopsy is a partial autopsy. In every case, the autopsy must be complete, that is, all the body cavities should be opened and even organ must be examined. The autopsy should be carried out by the registered medical practitioner, preferably with the training in forensic medicine. The doctor should remove the organ himself. The attendant should prepare the body and help the doctor where required, such as sewing the skull cap, reconstructing the body, etc. As the autopsy is proceeded with, details of the examinations should be taken down verbatim by an assailant. The person responsible for handling, moving and cleaning the body is often called diner. That means servant. Purpose of the autopsy. The purpose: who, when, where, why, what and how are the questions that the autopsy assists in answering. The objective of the medico-legal autopsy are to determine identification of the deceased in case of decomposed, burned, mutilated or an unidentified body, cause of death where natural or unnatural, and to interpret the significance, the effect of disease present in case of natural death, approximate time of death, mode of death, age of injury and place of death, manner of death where accidental, suicidal or homicidal, poison or weapon responsible for death in case of homicide, volitional activity possible after receiving the trauma and survival time, extent of external and internal injuries present where the injury present is expected to cause death in ordinary course of nature, whether deceased receive any treatment before death. Thank you.